Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to block channels on YouTube. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch the YouTube application, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is, after launching your YouTube application, is going to take you right into the home screen. Now from this home screen, go ahead and find the video or channel you want to block. So I have a video representing a channel which is Sounds of Ascent, and I want to block this channel. Now right next to the video here, it says Power Belongs to Jesus. You're going to find the three vertical dots. Go ahead and click on the three vertical dots and it pops up a couple of options. Here you have play next to queue, save to watch later, save to playlist, download videos, share, not interested, don't recommend channel, report, and listen with YouTube music. Now go ahead and click on don't recommend channel. Once you click on don't recommend channel from the menu, it will prevent videos from this channel from appearing in your recommendations. Another way to block a channel from the channel page is to tap on the channel's avatar to go to the channel page. Let's do that quickly. So this is the channel avatar right next to the video. Go ahead and click on the avatar and that's going to take you to the next window. Now that we're here, check the top right corner of the screen and you will find the three vertical dots. Go ahead and click on that. In here, you have a couple of options which include hide user from my channel, report user, settings. You have watch on TV, terms and privacy policy. You have help and feedback. Now go ahead and click on hide user from channel. Once you click on hide user from channel from this menu, and confirm your choice by following the prompts. That way you'll be able to block this channel and of course block the user. Now blocking or hiding a channel will prevent its content from appearing in your feed or recommendations, and if you choose to hide the user, it also removes their comments from the view. Now you can go ahead and watch this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.